How to change the color contrast settings in Windows 11. The Camera Settings page helps you manage the cameras connected to your device. From the taskbar, search for and open Manage Cameras. Under Connected Cameras, a list of cameras connected to your device is displayed. Select a camera from the list of connected cameras. Windows starts the camera and displays a preview screen as well as controls to adjust various settings. Under Basic Settings, use the controls and adjust the image. The changes are shown in the preview screen and are saved as the new default settings for that camera. Note: some camera manufacturers include an app that lets you configure the camera further. For those cameras, an option under Related Settings to open the manufacturer app appears. The Please Wait screen might appear for a few seconds. The colors on the screen change back to the default. Under Connected Cameras, select the camera you would like to disable. Select Disable. Note: on some devices, disabling a camera will disable multiple cameras on your PC. If this occurs, Windows shows a warning message after you select Disable. Some cameras might require you to reboot your device to disable the camera. To enable a camera, select it under Disabled Cameras. Under Disabled Cameras, select the camera you want to enable. Select Enable. The camera is now enabled.